Hey, what's up guys? In this short video I will show you how to make your Samsung Galaxy A56 fingerprint unlock fast, like from this to this. So let's begin. So here is the Samsung Galaxy A56. First let's unlock it, and you can see there is a delay. It took few seconds to land you on the home screen, and here you can see again. So let's fix it. First of all, go to settings of your phone. Then scroll down, and there you will see the option of security and the privacy. And now here again scroll down and go to screen lock and the biometrics. Unlock here. Then on this tab go to fingerprints. On this page at almost bottom you will see show animation while unlocking. So simply turn this off, and that's it. So actually it will turn that lines animation you see when unlocking your phone, which will save your time and make the unlocking fast. So let's go to home and test it, and boom, you can see it's fast than before. So actually what happened? I simply turned that animation off of those useless lines which were wasting your time, and now unlocking is taking less time and fast than before. So actually I didn't improve the hardware or the software, I turned that animation off. So that's the trick. So that's how you can make your fingerprint unlock fast of your Samsung Galaxy A56. And if you found this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you next video. Take care. Signing off.